Hmm? Oh, the wind seems to have died down some. Hmm?
So tiny and
Yours or mine?
very maneuverable.
Yeah, easy to make a big mistake quickly, huh?
Boy, I can't tell which way I'm going or anything.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
there it is.
the cloud, right? The cloud cover.
Yeah.
I,
I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's still kind of bright. You know,
yeah, I got those other glasses. I should probably put them on. The tinted cover.
Look, come back.
Yeah, there's the wind still.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
He did not die. Hmm? Are those good glasses for the clouds? Good sunglasses?
I like these kind of gold Polaroid.
Polarized?
Polarized, yeah.
Like
They have
88?
kind of the gray color and they have the sort of golden ones.
Time remaining
These ones
2
kind of make
minutes.
the orange on our airplanes stand out. Well, not having a choice.
Does a flat spin nice.
You're almost hovering.
Huh?
You're almost hovering.
Yeah. Exactly. It doesn't do everything I want, but works. It does okay for the wind. Little gray though would be doing some inverted stuff though.
Time remaining 1 minute. Seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Just change the battery.